Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, nothing but thieves. This song is called Tomorrow is Closed. Alright, so 4-chord song here, pretty straightforward because we're gonna use these 4 chords in the same order through the entire song. We love that. So let's take a look at this song. We have no need for any cape on this one. Let's start with that good old bar chord here, the F sharp minor. That's a bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then the rest you need to add will be 4th on A and 4th on D. That's F sharp minor. Moving on to the B sus version here. I'm going with the sus here because it's very convenient. It works. So you keep the bar here on the 2nd fret. You could just keep the bar as it is if you want, but the real chord here will be a bar on the 2nd fret, but not this last E bar here. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on G. So basically just move everything 1 string down from the F sharp to the B sus. Next chord will be the E. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will end with the C sharp minor bar chord. That's a bar now on the 4th fret. And you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings again from bottom up, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so there you have the order of the chords there. F sharp to the B, to E, to C sharp. Alright, so the strumming pattern here, we'll learn that with the F sharp since that is the 1st chord. So 1 round will be down, up, down, up. Like that, alright? And to get the right rhythm here for the song, you will try to emphasize the 2nd and last down here in this strumming pattern. So down, up, that last down. You play more on the top strings. That's how I do it, to emphasize it, to get the certain rhythm. So all the other downs and ups there, you play a little bit more on the bass strings, and that way you will emphasize the top strings there on the 2nd down. So bass, bass, top, bass, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up is 1 round. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord. So with this chord progression, F, B, E, and C, sounds like this. Alright, and you speed it up a little bit, and that will be it for Nothing But Thieves. Tomorrow is closed. So yeah, welcome back, even if it's closed tomorrow. So welcome back here to Gordon Guitar. And until then, play tuned.